There are two common mistakes students make when dealing with spring force and spring potential energy. The first is thinking that Hooke's law can tell you about spring potential energy. No, it doesn't. It only tells you about spring force. The second common mistake is using the regular work equation to find the work done by a spring. The problem with Fd cosine theta is that it requires that force F to be constant, but the spring force, as you know, changes as you either stretch or compress it. The more you compress it, the higher that force becomes, which is why we actually need to rely on a force versus position graph. The slope of the graph gives us the spring constant, whereas the area under the curve of the graph gives us the spring potential energy stored as we either stretch or compress the spring by amount x1. And that number also tells us the work done by the spring. Just be careful with the sign because the change in spring potential energy is equal to the negative of the work done by a spring.